dreams in the sand, remembering where we began to see this empty canvas, the future and all that could be.
Good afternoon.
Hey.
Do you have a reservation?
Yep.
All right. How many people are going to be on the site?
4.
4. Are you going to have anyone from outside the park come visit?
No.
Nope. Any pets?
1 dog.
1 dog. All right. Just as a reminder, the dog is not allowed on the beach.
Okay.
And you have site number 9 until the 27th.
Okay.
You have to be off the site by 1 p.m. on the 27th.
Okay.
Gate code's on the back.
Okay.
You're going to take that to your window down in front of where you're sitting.
Okay.
And then here's the map of the campground.
Okay. And how do we get to the campground?
Yep, you're just going to go down to the brown-white sign and take a left.
Okay.
And that'll put you on that road that's up top.
Okay.
And then when you reach the stop sign, turn right. That'll take you to the AB loop.
Alright, you still there?
Yep. Alright, just like straight back.
Straight back?
Then left. Then you gotta come left. Right, no, you push up and then left. Go straight back. Turn your butt to the left. Let me look at the other side.
Okay. That looks pretty good from here.
Yeah, that looks fine.
You good right there? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. I think.
One small tip when you back into a site, always make sure you got enough room for your slides. That one we got lucky. It was nice and tight. But always make sure you got enough room for your slides.
When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shining so bright. The hope that we hold, the story unfolds. Together we find we'll get there one day at a time. Up in the clouds, reaching the stars from the ground. Lost in this garden, embracing the place that we found. Shadows turning into light, our eyes open wide. When we're together, the world comes alive. Every color shines so bright.
Going for a walk. Henderson State Park. Doing the girls' favorite thing.
My hand.
Going for a hike.
Almost done. Finally.
How's the walk, girls?
I made it horrible.
Just want to do a short review of Henderson State Park on Destin Beach in Florida. Here's one of the sites. This is, I believe, site 8. They're pretty big sites to back into. You got a fire pit, picnic tables, spot to hang your clothes, or hammocks. We got our hammocks hanging in ours. We're in one side over. As far as hookups, you've got power and water, no sewer. but they do have a dump station, so you can dump when you go to leave. And then every time a camper leaves, a new one comes in, they come in here and they rake this, so it's all nice and pretty for the next person to come in.